Hello everyone, and welcome to Animal Habitats, an interactive lesson by me, Rachel Yakubowicz. Where do animals live? Can you think of two places on Earth where animals may live? You're right. Animals live on land and in water. Can you think of any examples of land animals? Correct. Animals like elephants, giraffes, zebras, and lions are land animals. Can you think of any water animals? Right. Some water animal examples would be turtles, sharks, dolphins, whales, and fish. What is a habitat? A habitat is a place that an animal lives. It provides the animal with food, water, and shelter, just like our homes do for us. There are many different habitats around the world, from forests to grasslands to mountain slopes and even deserts. Different habitats are home to many different animals. But today we will be discussing the rainforest, the ocean, the desert, and the tundra regions. What are the animal habitats we are going to be discussing today? Right, the tundra is the first one, and here is an example of what the tundra may look like. It is cold, icy. Next we have the ocean. This is an example of the ocean habitat. Now we have the rainforest habitat, and here is an example. And finally, the desert habitat, and here is an example. Dry, sandy. Next, I welcome you to the tundra. Who lives in the tundra? Some examples of animals that live in the tundra are polar bears, penguins, walruses, and seals. And now we're going to listen to some of the sounds you may hear in the tundra. This is the emperor penguin. And now we have the polar bear. Next, I welcome you to the rainforest. Who lives in the rainforest? Some examples of some animals that may live in the rainforest are toucans, jaguars, cheetahs, and leopards, hippopotamuses, monkeys, alligators and crocodiles, and tree frogs. Now we are going to listen to some sounds you may hear in the rainforest.
Hello, 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 hello. Hey, just like how we can make a lot of different sounds, the animals in the rainforest can make even more noises. Or imagine, like we said, there's so many animals in the rainforest. They need to start getting a little creative with the sound they make. They don't hear another animal and they need to their
Next, welcome to the desert. What animals live in the desert? Well, some examples are camels, kangaroos, iguanas, and rattlesnakes. And now we are going to listen to some sounds of desert animals.
Hello everyone! Today we're going to review the desert animals and the sounds they make. You ready? First, let's listen to the camel. Amazing, right? Now, listen to the sound of a coyote.
Now, please pick what animal does not belong in the ocean habitat by clicking on the animal that does not belong. Right, the snake does not belong. Good job circling it. Now, what animal does not belong in the tundra region? Click on that animal. Right, the bunny rabbit does not belong in the tundra. Good job circling. Now, tap on each habitat 2 times to reveal the hidden animals in their habitat. 1, 2. It's a monkey and a jaguar. Now, click on the desert 2 times. 1, 2. A rattlesnake and a camel. Great job. And finally, our recap. Please list for me the 4 habitats that were discussed throughout this lesson. Good job. The 4 habitats discussed in this lesson are ocean, tundra, rainforest, and desert habitats. Thank you so much for participating.